Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Student, I hope you practiced last lecture Simfix Studio. Have you downloaded? If not download it, otherwise you will difficult to understand. Okay, so practice at home. If no computer, then no issue, but if you have computer, then download this software and practice at home. So today we will start part 2 Simfix Studio. So let's start, student. Now in this session we are going to learn how to create a new file. So first of all, in toolbox I will set all the window and panel at their place. Okay, it's set now. Now our first practical is how to use circle and how to apply color on that. So this is your toolbox, student, and from here if you want to circle, if you want to make here circle, so for that click on circle tool and you can make here circle. Okay, like this way you can make circle. One more thing here, Simfix Studio is a heavy software, so if you, in your computer there is no graphics card, it will take time to come properly, because I already told it's a vector animation software, so it will take time to come properly. Okay student, so we have to wait for some time. Now if you want to change the color of the circle, then student you can, this is your vertical panel, and in param option you can see here the color, double click on it and you can change the color as per your choice. Understood? This also, if you want to change the circle color, you can change from it. Now suppose if you want to decrease the size of the circle, if you want it smaller, so you can do like this way. This is called duck. This is your blue duck, this is your green duck. Okay, a duck is a handle that is used to control some parameter of a layer. So this is one kind of a handle. A circle will have two ducks. Circle have two ducks. One is to control the position of the center. If you want to move it, then you can move. Okay, like this way. And the second control, that is known as radius. So if you want to increase the radius, you can increase. If you want to decrease, you can decrease. So the color of the duck signifies the change the following aspects. Suppose the green duck, always student, whenever you take any object, for that green duck is used to position of the object. So whenever you want to move that object, for that you are using green duck. Blue duck, the radius of circle. Orange duck, that is your vertices. Yellow duck, that is your curves. And dark blue duck, that is to change the angle in star. So we are going to use different types of ducks in different types of object. So have you understood, student, how to draw circle? Okay. Now suppose I don't want this object here, so what I will do, I will select this object, and this is my horizontal panel, where in layer option this is your circle 2. I will select it, right click on it and delete layer, so it will be deleted. Now second, I want to draw rectangle, so for that again I will go to rectangle tool and I will click on rectangle. Okay, and I draw it here like this way. Again If you want to change the color, same, go to the panel param option and you can change the color of rectangle. Understood, student? So this is your rectangle. By mistake we have 3 rectangle drawn, we want only one, so delete other layer, otherwise it will disturb when you want perfect animation. And again go to the transform tool. The transform tool is important because without using transform tool you cannot decrease or increase the size. See, you can see here, you can decrease the size of the rectangle, you can increase the size of rectangle. So is it clear, student, how to use rectangle tool? Okay. Now our next tool is star tool. Now how to use star tool? Click on star and you can drag it and you can apply it. So here your star tool came. Okay. Now here if you want to change the color, go to the param option and from here you can change it. Sorry, I have to use only, I want to apply color only in star, so rectangle color again I will apply previous one, yellow. Okay, student, so like this way you can change the color. Now if you want to decrease only the radius of circle, you can decrease like this way, so you can see the effect how it's working. If you want to increase the radius, then like this way you can increase the radius. It will take time, so you have to wait. Now if you want to increase this size, this triangle portion of star, then you drag it like this way, it will come. Okay, and again if you want to decrease, if you want to move the star, you can move the direction, so it will be rotate. Understood? This side if you want to decrease, you can decrease like this way. So have you understood how to use star tool? Okay. Now the next tool is polygon tool. Now how to use polygon tool, student? Click here, this is your polygon tool, so click on polygon tool and using polygon tool you can create any shape. So suppose if I want to make here triangle, so I click here 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot and again join the previous existing dot. So here by using polygon tool I can create triangle and I want to change the color, then change it from here. Okay, previous layer also selected, you can see here there 2 layers are selected, that's why the color applied on 2 objects. If you want to apply only one object, then deselect it and previous color you can apply from here. Okay, now using polygon tool I will draw one more object. Suppose I want to draw one shape, like suppose I'm making here small table. So what I will do, now you see here I can change the color first. Now suppose again same happened, I have to deselect this first, previous polygon, and change the color from here. Okay, Now suppose I want this table like this way. By using orange duck, I can change the shape of this table. Now I want here leg of that table. So what I will do, I will go to again polygon tool, and again one more time I will select here. Okay, now how to use it? This polygon tool I will keep on force top on the top. So what I will do, I will right click and I will set on the top. So it will now on top. So if I want to adjust, okay, this way I can adjust the table. Student, this is not exact table, but for your understanding how to use polygon tool, I explain this object. So I hope you understood how to use polygon tool. Now if I want to use beeline tool, how to use it? What I will do, first I will close this canvas window. I don't want to save it, so I press on no, and I want one more new window, so I will click on it. Here I want to draw using beeline tool. I want to draw here candle, so I'm click on beeline tool, and here I'm drawing candle like this way. You have to take a dot, and the previous dot, right click here and choose option loop beeline. Okay, and after that if you want to apply color, click on transform tool. Now if you want to change this candle color, then double click on here and you can select any one color here, student. After that again I'm using beeline tool, right click loop beeline. So again I click on transform tool and I change the color, not two object, only one object. So again I will press Ctrl Z. My second object is this one, so I will change only that one color, that is okay, I want red color. So here your candle is created. Now second, using beeline tool I want to create kite. So again I am clicking on this and I apply color. Suppose I change first this color, apply it. Okay, Now again using beeline tool, lightly loop beeline. Again I change this color first, apply. So this color is changed. So you can see here, by using beeline tool you can make candle, you can make kite. Understood, student? So our next tool is draw tool. Again I close this canvas window, and do you want to save? No. By using new option, new canvas window, I will draw here. Using draw tool, I draw here again one more candle by using draw tool. So this is my draw tool. I click on it and I draw here candle like this way, which you are using in paint. Done. After that, if you want to change the color, you can change from here. Okay, like this way you can change. If you want to change the outline color, student, you can change the outline color also, like this way. Okay, now by using draw tool, again I click on draw tool, and sorry, it's not came properly. I draw it here. Like this way. And if I want to change the color, I select that tool region only, student. See, when you draw the new tool using this draw tool, the multiple layer created here, but inside that you have to choose only region, so you can change the color. So I change this color. Okay, student. So this is your draw tool. How to use it? Understood? Okay. Now the next tool is fill tool. The fill tool is using to fill the color. Now here suppose I am taking this portion, I am going to fill tool object. Okay, now suppose this color is pink, suppose this color is red, I want to fill the red color. I select the fill tool and I want to put here red color, then click on it, so it will fill the red color. Again by using fill tool, I want to put yellow color here. What I will do, I will change the color from here, and by using fill tool I apply yellow color here. So this is the use of fill tool. Okay, student. Now next tool is hide drop tool. Now what is the use of eye drop tool? By using eye drop tool, you can select the color from the work area and select the eye drop tool and click the work area where you want to set the foreground color. See, this is here. Now foreground color is red. If I click on yellow, so here foreground color is yellow. Now if I click on red, here foreground color is red. Understood? If you want to exchange it, you can exchange also color, and select the eyedrop tool and then click the work area where you want to set the default foreground color. Understood, student? So here we will stop today. In the next session, our next practical, we will learn gradient tool. So thank you, student.